Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Venus flytrap, one of the most unique plants in Grow a Garden 2 of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Venus flytrap is a mythic multi-harvest crop that was added when the game first released. You can buy its seeds from the seed shop for 7 million shekels or 799 Robux, but it only has around a 43% chance to appear in stock, making it one of the rarer plants in the game. And I'm going to go to my garden guys to show you how it looks like. Okay, this is the Venus fly trap I've already planted in my garden. What makes this plant special isn't just the rarity, guys. It's also its unique ability. During the night, the Venus flytrap can bite players who get too close. A successful bite removes about 75% of their health and also takes away a small amount of their shekels, making it a great defensive plant for protecting your garden from unwanted visitors. And visually, the Venus flytrap has a dark green stem with a large red trap at the top. And instead of growing fruit outside, it appears right inside its open mouth, giving it a really cool and unique design. And since it's a multi-harvest crop, you only need to plant it once and it will continue producing fruit over time, making it a valuable long-term investment if you're lucky enough to get one. Okay guys, and that's everything you need to know about the Venus fly trap in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!